What's good? What's good? I don't have my water. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin, some quick analysis here. We're sitting at $1.92. We're down about 1% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of $14.13 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.98 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the 4-hour time frame. So just a little bit of consolidation, guys. We had a little bit of a double top pattern. You can see we're having a bit of a throwback as of right now. But if we were to break down from this pattern, it would take Matic back down, right down to that level of support at 171, which was the neckline of our double bottom pattern on the daily, guys. So just a little bit of consolidation. We did basically create an equal high, while creating a lower high in the RSI and the money flow bearish divergence. So we may see a little bit of pullback to 171. Definitely a possibility, guys. We'll pop over to the daily. So you can see here on the daily, we're holding the 20 EMA, which is a good sign. We're just in between the 20 and the 55 right now with a beautiful little bull pennant that we've been talking about here on the channel. So if we can hold this level of support coming in at about $1.82 and we break out, then you have a beautiful breakout target that will basically take you all the way up very close to that level of resistance at 255, which we've been covering here on the channel. We're currently hitting resistance on the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. So we're just waiting for Bitcoin to make its move, basically. We'll take a quick look at Ethereum, guys. So this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see a bearish divergence as well, creating higher highs, creating lower highs, as well as the money flows flowing out, which can be the early indication of a drop, guys. So if we do see some pullback, we can create that right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we do come down a little bit here, possibly to 2,777, or we might not even come down that low. If we do see some pullback here, we might just consolidate right here before coming up and breaking that neckline. That will take us up to 3,908. If we look at the daily time frame, there's that inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And you can see the 20 EMA starting to curl underneath the candles, holding it at support. So as long as we hold that level of support coming in about 3025, we're looking healthy for continuation. We're just consolidating, guys. We're just going through a level of accumulation, in my opinion, before we break out. And your breakout target of this inverse head and shoulders takes you all the way up to the technical target of this descending channel at 4785. Right, the money flow is at the top section here, and we're seeing some consolidation. And usually when it comes up to the top section right here, you can see we consolidated and then we broke out back to the upside. You're either going to consolidate or you're going to move back down, but I do believe that we're starting an uptrend here. So I think the more likely scenario is we consolidate and we continue to break out back to the upside. Let's look at Bitcoin, guys. Yesterday I talked about this ascending triangle. You can see we broke down just a little bit, but you can see some reversal candles, these doji candles here, hammer candles, shooting star, and we're starting to push up a little bit. So if we can see a throwback, we can still come up to 47.3K. Yesterday, I did talk about that bearish divergence. We created basically a little bit of a higher high while creating a lower high, which is the early indicator of some pullback. I did talk about us breaking out in the next 48 to 72 hours. I definitely think that is still a possibility, guys. We're still seeing that beautiful increase in our Bitcoin long positions, which is an early indicator of a pushback to the upside, especially when the short positions. We're seeing a small increase, but oh no, not even, guys. You can see the shorts are decreasing, guys. They're falling out of the market while the longs are increasing. So what do you think is going to happen? You think you're going to break out to the upside or you're going to break down, guys? So I do think the breakout to the upside is coming. We do have that inverse head and shoulders for Bitcoin as well. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So we might just create a little bit of a smaller right shoulder, something like this, a little bit of consolidation. Right shoulder, 20 EMA catches up to the candles, we bounce off it as support, and we see our breakup up to 57K. In my opinion, the worst case scenario is about 40,000. We come down to 40,000, create that right shoulder, but I do not think we're coming down to even 38K. I don't think we'd come back down to this line of support here, and I definitely don't think we're coming back down to 33K. All right, guys, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So that's basically it, guys. We're just consolidating. It's a little bit boring, but that's okay. That's crypto, guys. It's not always going to be super interesting all the time, but there's still trades to be made. There's still opportunities to dollar cost average into your positions, guys, while we wait for Bitcoin to make its move. Just keep an eye on this bearish divergence. See these lower highs while creating higher highs. If we do pull back a little bit, I definitely would watch 27777. That is a strong level of support. But honestly, we could just do a little something like this where we just consolidate, 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 create that right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder before breaking out back to the upside. So that's it, guys. Just a small update here. And for Matic, just watch this level of resistance at 191. If we do get rejected and we start to roll over, I would target 171, which is the breakdown target of this double top pattern, and also lines up with this level of support, previous resistance from our double bottom on the daily. We've had 4 entries with our dollar cost average strategy. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. Our break even is sitting at 176. I will give you my bull run targets. I know you guys like that here on the daily. So if we see continuation to the upside, take my Fibonacci here from the May high down to the crash low in July. And according to my Elliott wave theory and the Fibonacci extension, just let me move out this other one so it's not as confusing. Target the 1.618 is your first bull run target. It's coming in at about $7 or about $6.95. That is my bull run target for our friend Matic. All right, guys, that is basically it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, as well as daily buy and take profit zones for many altcoins. If you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions, as well as the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, the DCA trade strategy, which is fully explained here in the Discord, and over 1,500 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. So if you're looking for a community of like-minded traders, investors, $350 USD, the price of a coffee, you really can't beat it. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love, take care.